Hi, welcome to Samco YouTube channel. My name is Veer. In this short video, we'll be talking about India Shelter Finance Corporation and understand whether you should subscribe to this IPO or not. Firstly, the following are the key issue details. The IPO start date is 13th December. The IPO end date is 15th December. The price band of this IPO is 469 to 493 rupees. The lot size is 30 shares. The face value of this IPO is 5 and the total issue size stands at 1200 crores. Out of this, 400 crore is offer for sale and the remaining is fresh issue. The market value of this IPO post issue would stand at 4077 crore at the upper price band. Now, India Shelter Finance Corporation was established in the year 1998. It is an affordable housing finance company with its target audience being the self-employed individual residing in Tier 2 and beyond cities. The company operates through 183 branches across 15 states. The company's loan book as of FY23 stands at 3,609 crore. Out of its total loan book, 57.6% is home loans and the remaining is loan against property. Now, the industry in which this company operates in, which is the affordable housing market in the Tier 2 and beyond cities, usually get a very high valuation from the market. The reason why they get such high valuation is because these companies tend to not get a lot of competition from the banks, and also the fact that they are into mortgage lending, the asset quality issues are also under control. Now we will compare some key ratios of this NBFC with its leading peers. We'll compare the cost of borrowings, yields on advances, spreads, and the asset quality. As you can see from your screen, India Shelter Finance Corporation has a cost of borrowing of 8.3% as of FY23 and cost of borrowing of 8.9% as of H1 FY24. The company has been able to materially improve its cost of borrowing over the years. When we look at its yields on advances, the NBFC reports an yields on advances of 14.9% as of FY23 and 14.9% as of H1 FY24. When we look at the spreads of these NBFCs, India Shelter Finance Company reports a spread of 6.6% as of FY23. You can see that the spreads of all these NBFCs are in similar category. Aptus Value Housing Finance is an outlier with a spread of 9.2%. The reason why it is able to generate such high spread is because this company has a very higher share of self-employed individual, and these category of customer, they are riskier in nature but they also give out better yields, and that's why the Aptus Value Housing has such high yields. Now when we look at the asset quality, you can see from your screen that the India Shelter Finance has a stage 3 percentage of 1.13% as of FY23 and 1% as of H1 FY24. Over the years, the company has been able to manage its asset quality well, which is a good sign. Now, if we quickly go through its financials, you can see from your screen that the net interest income of the company stands at 293.07 crores as of FY23, which grew by 30% YOY. On the bottom line, the company reported a PAT of 155.34 crore as on FY23, which grew by 21%. Now the final question, should you subscribe to this IPO or not? The company operates in a segment which is underpenetrated and therefore has sufficient legroom to grow. This can be seen from the fact that the company has been able to grow its loan book by 32.4% and 37.6% in FY22 and FY23 respectively. The company operates in a niche segment in both geographically and in product category wise, and therefore the company has been able to report healthy yields and spreads. The company reports an handsome yields of 14.9% and spread of 6.6% as of FY23. On the bottom line, the company reported an ROA of 4.1% as of FY23. On the valuation front, this NBFC demands a price to book of 2.75 as on FY24 basis. We are optimistic about the growth in this industry, and we are also confident of the fact that this company would be able to manage its asset quality well in the coming time period. Taking all these factors into consideration, we recommend a subscribe rating to this IPO. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Samco Trading App, आप ही के ट्रेडिंग का अनदेखा सच.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.